Hey, Paul, I just wanted to thank you so much for coming to my virtual workshop. It was so great having you in the room and just really being there with all of the other great people that were in the room. And you're such an expert at what you do. But I would love for you to share what you got from that workshop and what really came from that, spending that time.
Um, Thank you. There was a couple of shifts for me in terms that really resonated with me. Was number one, appreciating or understanding my value, that at the level of coaching that I provide, that I should be charging a lot more than what I've been charging. And that the other shift was that resonated with me was the transactional and the transformational as part of the offers. I came away, went right to work once. When we finished, I reviewed my notes and started making some notes that I was going to change immediately following the workshop.
Yay.
That's how motivated I was and appreciative of what I came away with.
That's awesome. And you actually had some results from that, didn't you?
I did, yes. I closed a client the next day on an offer that I'd made previous to attending your workshop, where I actually upsold the client on the written offer that I'd given them. And closed the deal on a transformational piece, but I used the transactional offer to close it.
Yes, I love it. So it worked. Yay.
It works.
Well, it was a pleasure having you. Thank you so much for sharing, and thank you for the testimonial. And I really appreciate it.
And thank you for all you do, Ann. Have a great day.
Thank you.